She's got a little post office box, like a Santa North Pole post office box.
Oh, okay.
She's putting inside because she doesn't want it to get stolen, right? And then Sleepy Hollow store next door, she's got space where the kids can write a letter to Santa Claus and then go over to the post office and put it in the post office. And we'll make
that's so
sure
nice.
that letter gets to Santa Claus.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah. So that's going to be a lot of fun. So we could.
And Santa writes back.
Oh yeah.
That's a big deal.
And you know what? It would be so much fun to have Santa answer a couple of these letters on a podcast.
That would be. Yes.
Wouldn't those kids' eyes light up?
Yes.
Say, I heard from Santa. Santa.
I wonder if you could maybe save a couple of the letters. Oh, I guess you couldn't. I don't know if you could. Save a couple of the letters so that the Santa from the helicopter could read them.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Okay,
that's what I'm
good.
thinking. Yeah. Oh, those kids would just absolutely. They would be in
die.
heaven.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what
great.
we'll do. Oh, you've got some great ideas.
Yeah, that'd
So
be great.
shoot a box program out there, and then see if we can get a webcast for Santa and put it up on the page. That's a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah. That'd be a
That's
blast.
a lot of fun.
Sure.